expressions, equations, and inequalities. Sabi, when we talk of expression, equation, inequalities, they are used to describe relationship between quantities. Itong bahaging ito ng definition ay halos sinasabi na they are same with respect to the relationship between quantities. Pero paano natin malalaman ang pagkakaiba ng tatlong yan? Usually, gumagamit tayo ng iba't ibang mathematical symbol para malaman natin ang pagkakaiba ng expression, equation, and inequality. At ito yung mga symbol na pwede natin gamitin para malaman natin kung ano ang pagkakaiba ng mga yan. Tignan natin kung ano ang mangyayari. Okay? Pumunta siya sa inequality, same as that. Sa inequality din. Sa inequality rin siya pumunta. Same with that. Yung isa ay sa equation, ang isa ay sa inequality. So, alam ko na particular na kayo sa mga symbol na yan. Yan ay tinatawag na equal, greater than, less than. Not equal, less than equal, greater than equal. So, ibig sabihin pala, kapag nakita natin na may equal sign, so yun ay tinatawag na equation. At kapag may greater than, less than, not equal, less than equal, and greater than equal, yun naman ay inequality. At kung ang mga symbol na ito ay wala sa given, yun naman ang expression. So, sa pamamagitan nito, madidefine na natin ang tatlong yan. An algebraic expression is an expression that consists of variables and constant along with algebraic operation. Tulad nito, sabi, it consists of variables. So, kung lalagyan natin dito ng variable na x, may algebraic operation, gamitin natin ng plus, tapos may constant, ibig sabihin number. So, yan ay halimbawa ng expression. X plus 3 is an example of expression batay sa definition. Then, equation is a statement that affirms the equality of the two expressions connected by an equal sign. So, equal sign naman ang makikita. For instance, nilagay natin dito 4x minus 5 at nilagyan natin ng equal sign to 6. So, yan naman ang tinatawag nating equation. So, ito ang example ng equation. How about inequality? Inequality is the relationship between two expressions and it is represented by less than, greater than, not equal to, and less than, equal, or greater than, equal. Tulad nito, kung nilagay natin itong 2x, at ginamitan natin ng isa sa mga symbol, pwedeng less than, pwedeng greater than, pwedeng not equal, or pwedeng ito. At kunyari ginamit natin ng less than, at nilagay ko dito ay 4. So, ibig sabihin, ito naman ang tinatawag na inequality. Mas alamin natin yan sa pamamagitan ng mas maraming.
So, classify the following as algebraic expression or algebraic equation. Write each in the correct column. So, for number 1, so tandaan muna natin, pag sinabi nating expression, so ano-ano lang mga tandaan natin doon. So, pag wala kayong minakitang equal, doon nyo siya ilalagay. Pag may nakita kayong equal sign, so sa equation natin siya ilalagay. So now, proceed tayo sa ating next lesson. So, in presenting quantities in real-life situation to algebraic expression and equations, you must be familiar with the different terms needed for translation. So, meron tayong mga fundamentals of operations. So, ito yon: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, equality symbols, power root, and variables. For symbols of addition, meron tayo diyang cross dyan, yung plus sign. So, clue words, addition, added to, increased by, more than, the sum of, plus added to, Then, the total of. So, pag minarinig kayong ganito, itong clue words na to, so it means addition yung sinasabi sa equation. How about subtraction, sir? So, mayroon tayong minus sign. So, ano yung mga word clue, sir? Okay, subtraction, minus, less than, the difference of, decreased by, diminished by, subtracted from, taken from. So, yun ay ibig sabihin ng subtraction pag may nakita kayong mga words na ito. Then, the multiplication. Pag may nakita kayo nito, x. Then, yung dot na nasa gitna ng two numbers, gitna po sa hindi sa baba, multiplication din siya. Then, the open and close parentheses, multiplication ang ibig sabihin nun. Then, the clue words, multiplication times of the product of twice multiplied by. So, multiplication yun. And then, how about division, sir? So, meron tayong diyang mga sign ng o symbols ng division. So, ito yan. Yung typical na ginagamit natin ito. And then, itong fraction type, pwede din siya. Then, pwede din itong nakapahalang na yan. Kaya, ang clue niya, division divided by the quotient of and the ratio of, pwede yan. About the equality symbols. So, makita kayo na yung symbols na equal, ibig sabihin equal yon. So, it is, equals, is, the same as, is equal to. So, ito yung mga words na yan. Ibig sabihin, yung pinapakitang ano na yon ay isang equation. Then, the power. Yung nakalagay dito, n squared, n cubes. Ibig sabihin na square root of, the cube of. Yan yan. Then, the root. Dito, ito yan. Meron tayong the square root of, the cube root of. Saan ang square root yan, sir? Itong, yan, yung may 2 na yan. Then, yung cube root, ito yung may 3 sa taas. Okay, the variables. Okay, pag sinabi natin variable, okay, symbols niya, any number from the English alphabet. From A to Z. Pwede tayong gumamit ng symbols na yon. It represent the number. So, ano yung word clue niya? The unknown quantity. Pag may nawawalang number, so pwede tayong gumamit ng any letter sa English alphabet. Pwedeng A, pwedeng N, basta any doon, pwede tayong gumamit doon. So, meron akong problem dito. Tignan natin ha. A piano tutor charges 850 pesos per hour. She spends 150 pesos for her transportation fare and going to house of her tutee and returning home, and another 100 pesos for her snacks. If she taught for 2 hours, what is her total earnings? So, isa-isahin natin. Think of the following questions in answering the problem. First, which quantities are constant or unknown? Okay, mula sa problem na yon. So, yung quantities, yung constant and unknown doon, ito yon. Ito yung ano ha? Ito yung constant. 850 pesos tutorial rate for the piano tutor per hour. So, ilang oras siya nagturo? Meron siyang 2 hours, nakalagay dyan. And then, constant pa rin to, 150 pesos cost niya sa kanyang pamasahe. And then, gumastos din siya ng 100 pesos para sa kanyang merienda. So, which quantities are variables or unknown? So, ano yung mga hinahanap doon? So, let N the total earning of the piano tutor. So, paano kunin yan? So, what is the relationship between the constant and variables? Okay, transit natin. Okay, a piano tutor charges ay 850 pesos. Ginastos niya yung 150 pesos for her, ano yon, pamasahe. So, nakalagay tayo dito, She spends. Ibig sabihin, magbabawas tayo. Tandaan muna natin yung mga gagamitin nating mga sa algebraic natin. Mga operation. Transportation niya, ilan? Okay, and returning home, plus tayo sa kanyang gastusin. Yan. Another 100 pesos for her snacks. Yan. Then, if she taught for 2 hours, what is her total earnings? So, yung 1 hour niya ay 800 pesos. Tapos, nagturo siya ng 2 hours. So, nilagay ko dyan, times 2. So, paano natin ipapakita yan, sir? Ito yung solution yan. So, sa open and close parenthesis na to, 800 pesos, ito yung kanyang rate sa pagtuturo. Then, bakit may times 2, sir? Dahil may 2 hours siya nagturo. Then, nag-minus tayo ng 150 pesos and 100, plus 100, maingay. Sino yung naka-open ng mic dyan? And then, plus 100 pala sa kanyang merenda. Then, equals n. So, next step. 850 times 2 minus, yan, ulit lang. So, ito na yon. 850 times 2 equals 1,700 pesos minus. So, ginagamit pa rin natin yung PEMDAS rule dito, ha? 150 plus 100 equals n. Next. Anong nangyari dito? So, 1,700 minus 250. Saan galing yung 250? Dito yan. So, equals, hindi ko na ano. So, pag binawas natin yung 250 sa 1,700, ang n na lalabas ay ito. 1,450 pesos. So, the answer is, yan. The total earnings of the piano tutor is 1,450. Pero kung hindi siya namasaya, hindi siya kumain, exact 1,700 pesos ang kanyang kinita. Next problem. There are 2 kinds of birds in the zoo. The eagles and the hawks. The eagles are divided into 2 groups. Each group contains 10 eagles. The hawks are divided into 5 more than. Tingnan nyo, ha? 5 more than the groups of the eagle. Each group contains 5 hawks. So, write an algebraic expression to find the total number of eagles in the zoo. So, paano yan, sir? What is the total number of eagles in the zoo? Natin dito. Which quantity are concerned? Constant or known? Yung nakikita yung number doon. So, there are 2 groups of birds. Tama doon. Meron. Meron din yung eagle and hawks. So, sa eagle are divided in 2 groups. So, ito yon 2. Then, each group contains 10 eagles. So, ito na siya. 2 times 10. The total number of eagles in the hawks are divided into 5 groups. Ito naman yung sa hawks na group. 2 plus 5 times 5. Di ba? Nakalagay kasi dito. Okay. The hawks are divided into 5 more than the groups of eagle. Ilang groups yung eagle? Di ba meron 2? Yan, 2. So, ito yung 2. Then, more than 5. So, plus 5. Then, each group ay mayroong 5 hawks. So, ito na yun. So, next. Which quantities are variables or unknown? Total number of eagle, the hawks in the zoo. So, let's end the total number of eagles and the hawks in the zoo. Ito na yun. Itong 2 times 10, ito yung group of eagle. Each group contains 10. Yan, 2 times 10 plus. Kasi i-add natin kung ilang numbers lahat yon. So, yung 2, kasi more than 5 yung groups ng isang group o ng isang variety ng ibon. So, 2 plus 5 times 10 equals n. So, ginawa na natin 2 times 10. I-add muna natin itong naka-underline na to. So, ito yung nangyari dyan. So, next, tandaan natin yung PEMDAS rule natin. Unahin parati yung nasa loob ng group. Yan. So, 20, ito pa rin yung kanina sa eagle. So, dito na, nakuha na natin yung sa hook natin na group. Merong 35. So, the answer is 55. There are 20 eagles in the zoo. There are 35 hawks in the zoo. The total number of eagle and hawks in the zoo is 55. So, meron pa tayong mga sample. Yan. Choose the variable to represent the unknown quantities and write an algebraic expression or equation. So, ito yung mga ano natin. For example, number 1. So, the sum of 4 and 8 times a number is 20. So, paano natin sa isusulat, sir? So, yan. The sum of 4 and 8 a number. So, yung a number dito, ito yung variable. So, ginamitan lang ni sir ng n. Any letters in the alphabet, pwede natin gamitin. Pwedeng A. Tandaan nyo ha. The sum of 4 and 8 times a number. So, kahit hindi natin lagyan ng multiply na sign dyan, pag magkadikit yung isang number at saka isang variable, it means i-multiply natin yan. So, equals 20. So, ang tawag dito ay algebraic equation kasi meron siyang equal sign. Number 2, the mass of Roman's father is 5 kg, less than 3 times Roman mass. So, nakalagay dito, 3 times. Tingnan nyo ang word dito, less than. 3 times. So, ito yung 3. So, ang variable dyan, itong W natin yung Roman mass natin. So, ginawa lang natin W dyan. So, ibabawas lang natin yung 5 na isa. So, yan yung kanyang, ano to, is it algebraic expression or equation? So, isa siyang expression kasi wala siyang equal sign. Number 3, 20 times a number less 2 o less than 2. Tingnan natin, 20 times a number. So, ito yung 20, ita-times natin sa number. So, unknown siya o variable. So, ginamit ni sir, sabi dito, basta unknown o variable, any English alphabet ang gamitin natin. Mabilis pa si sir?
Hindi po.
Okay. So, I use letter A. So, it means 20 times a number. So, unknown pa kasi siya. Minus, kasi less 2. So, is it equation or expression?
Expression.
Yes. So, 3 times the difference of a number and 1. So, paano siya isulat, sir? Yan. Sabi dito, the difference. Tignan nyo, dito muna tayo mag-focus. 3 times the difference of a number and 1. So, 3 times, wag muna natin siyang i-times. Mag-group muna tayo. And kasi yung a number, yan, a number. So, variable yan. Then, a constant, itong 1. So, difference, it means minus. So, ima-minus muna natin yung difference itong dalawang to, saka i-multiply. So, still, algebraic expression siya. So, half of a number decreased by 12. So, paano siya isusulat? Yan. Ibig sabihin, 1/2. So, dinivide by 2. Hindi siya, di ba? Then, yung number na yun, dinivide natin by 2, may ima-minus pa natin ng 12. Kasi decrease, bumaba ng 12. Okay po ba? Masyadong mabilis si sir. Okay. The difference between the 3 and twice a number. Tandaan natin na, twice a number. So, ibig sabihin, 2 na may kasama siyang variable. Any alphabet ulit, plus 1. So, ganito siya. Yan. Kasi the difference between, kaya magkasama sila sa bracket. Ito yung twice a number, P ang ginamit ni Sir, tapos magka-plus 1 ka. So, still, algebraic expression. Baka nalilito kayo ha, twice a number, ito yung twice a number dyan. Ito. Yan, ito yung twice a number. Then, ito yung 3. Kasi, difference kasi dapat magkasama sila. Okay, the product of a number and 9. Oh, product of a number. So, ito yan. Number siya, tsaka may 9. Tingnan nyo, a product of a number. Yung a number dyan, ito yung n o yung variable natin. Yung constant number natin dyan is 9. Ito. So, product nila dalawa. So, 9n. Kasi ibig sabihin ng 9n, 9 times n. So, next. A number divided by 3 is 8. So, ano yung clue natin? May is. Ano ibig sabihin ng is? Kung naalala nyo, equal. So, tingnan natin. Yan. A number, ito yung n, ginamit ni Sir. Divided by 3. Yan. Then, is 8. So, yung is na yan, ito yon. Yan, equal 8. So, ano to? Is it algebraic expression or equation?
Equation.
Equation. Very good. 6 less than a number is 45. Oh, 6 less than a number. So, 6 minus number is 45. May is na naman. Equation. So, yan. Ito yung number less than a 6. Less than, ayan. Add than a number. Tama to. So, equals 45. 10 added a number. Yan. 10 added a number. So, yung 10, add natin ng number. So, yan na yun. So, tandaan natin, paano natin malalaman kung ang isusulat natin ay isang equation or expression, algebraic expression or algebraic equation. Paano? May mga clue tayo doon. So, madali lang kapag equation kasi mayroong is equal to. Ganon. So, ano to? Madali na lang to. Ano to siya? Equation to siya. Pero pag wala kayong nabasang ganon, algebraic lang tong hinahanap dito. So, gawin na natin. So, tandaan niyo yung mga term, yung twice. Ibig sabihin ng twice, times 2. Thrice, times 3. Decrease, minus. So, next. Fill in the blanks with the words that correctly complete the following statement. Choose from the words or inside the box. Write your answer in your answer sheet dyan sa papel. Ay, ba't may sagot? So, dito, number 1. Mayroon na. Is a mathematical statement indicating that two algebraic expression are equal uses the symbols of equal. So, the answer is equation. Next. Number 2. Sabihin nyo, ano sagot nyo ha? Is an expression that combines a number and one or more than operation symbols. What is your answer? The answer is numerical. No, hindi pa. numerical expression. So next is any letter of a symbols that represents a number.
Algebraic.
What? Any letter or symbols that represents a number. Okay, variable. Very good. Tandaan nyo kahit ano, variable yon. Ito naman, has a fixed value that does not change. From the words, does not change and fix.
Equation po.
Tandaan nyo yung word clue, fix and does not change. Hanapin nyo dito, yung hindi nagbabago dyan. Constant. Ito yung number na nakikita nyo mismo. Yan. Oy. Mali, hindi ko napalitan. Constant ang sagot dyan, ha? Next. Yan, ito na yon. It is a mathematical phrase that uses variables, numerals, and operation symbols.
Algebraic expression.
Okay, algebraic, what? Expression. Yan. Next. Uy, tapos na tayo, Sige nga, try nyo nga to. Parang ang bilis natin natapos. So, 5 more than X bananas. Paano natin siya isusulat? Yeah. Sino gusto mag-try? 5 more than X.
5x po.
5X lang ba? Pag 5X, ano lang yun? Multiply yun. More than. What do you mean by more than?
5 plus x.
Tingnan natin.
5 times
X plus 5. Okay, number 2. 7 subtracted from the variable X. Paano?
7.
Tandaan nyo Okay. Tandaan nyo yung from. Saan tayo magbabawas?
60.
Okay. Yan. Okay. Next. 8 pesos added to. Saan siya inad? So, ano yung mauuna?
G plus T.
Yan. Kasi, yung Z yung pesos yan, Next. M increased by 10 candies is 45 candies. Ano to? Equation o expression?
Equation po.
Yan. Mali yung sagot nyo. Next. Twice a number. Yan. Twice a number. Y. Yan yun. Twice a number. Minultiply lang natin yung number. Yan. So, punta na tayo doon sa inyong